Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is January 30th, 2026, and we're diving into Autoliv's Q4 2025 earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Autoliv has reported a strong quarter, and I'm excited to break down the details with you.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Autoliv reported net sales of $2,817 million for Q4 2025, marking a 7.7% increase from the previous year. John, what drove this growth?
The growth was primarily driven by a 4.2% organic sales increase, outpacing the global light vehicle production growth of 1.3%. This was largely due to new product launches and tariff compensations, which added about 1 percentage point to sales.
And how about profitability?
Autoliv achieved an operating margin of 11.3% and an adjusted operating margin of 12.0%. This reflects strong operational efficiency and cost management, despite some headwinds from lower out-of-period customer compensations and engineering income.
Earnings per share analysis. Autoliv's adjusted earnings per share came in at $3.19, surpassing the forecast of $2.85 from 4 analysts. What contributed to this earnings beat?
The EPS growth of 5% was driven by strong sales performance and effective cost reductions. The company also benefited from a favorable tax rate and share repurchases, which reduced the number of shares outstanding, enhancing EPS.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Autoliv reported a record operating cash flow of $544 million for the quarter. How did they achieve this?
The increase in operating cash flow was mainly due to improved working capital management and higher net income. Free operating cash flow also reached a record high of $434 million, reflecting disciplined capital expenditure and strong cash generation.
Looking ahead, what is Autoliv's guidance for 2026?
For 2026, Autoliv expects an adjusted operating margin of around 10.5 to 11.0% and operating cash flow of approximately $1.2 billion. They anticipate continued strong performance, particularly in Asia, driven by their strategic initiatives and partnerships.
CEO insights and strategic initiatives. Mikael Bratt, Autoliv's CEO, highlighted several milestones in his comments. Can you elaborate on these?
Absolutely. CEO Mikael Bratt emphasized that Autoliv reached significant milestones, including surpassing $1 billion in operating income and achieving a 40% sales growth with Chinese OEMs. He also noted the importance of strategic partnerships and investments in China, which have been pivotal in driving their success.
How do these initiatives position Autoliv for the future?
These initiatives strengthen Autoliv's market position, particularly in high-growth regions like Asia. Their focus on innovation, such as the world's first foldable steering wheel for autonomous driving, positions them well for future growth and shareholder returns.
Key takeaways. In summary, Autoliv delivered a strong Q4 2025 performance, with impressive sales growth and profitability. Their strategic initiatives and focus on operational efficiency have set a solid foundation for 2026. Thank you, John, for your insights.
Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure discussing Autoliv's performance.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Autoliv's performance in the comments below.